Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So let's begin with our session. Today we are going to learn aptitude book. So students, open this book and let's start your syllabus. Know your aptitude, standard 6th. So today we are going to learn first lesson, analogy. So what is the mean by analogy? A comparison between two things. Listen again. What is the mean by analogy? Analogy means a comparison between two things. Okay. So let's begin with our session. Analogy literally means similarity bearing a resemblance. The relationship between the first and the second term is similar to that between the third and the fourth term. So let's see our first example. Newspaper, press. Cloth. What is the answer of cloth? Let's see. Fiber, tailor, mill, textile. Just as newspaper is prepared in a press, cloth is manufactured in the mill. And answer is yes, correct. The answer is mill. We'll see now second example. Ship, sea, camel. What is the answer? Ship is the principal means of transport in sea. Similarly, camel is the principal means of transport in desert. And so the answer is yes, desert, not mountain, not forest and not land. Correct answer is desert. Hope so everyone understood how to analogy. Okay. Next, see the next page. Take the right choice. Cricket, bat, hockey. What is the answer? We'll see the options. Player, ball, stick, field. So students, can you recognize the answer? Yes, the correct answer is stick. Why? Because we use bat for playing cricket and we use stick to play hockey. Yes, you are correct students. Next, we'll see second one. Sheep, flock, cattle. What is the answer? So what is the mean by flock? Flock means a group of sheep. And what do we call a group of cattle? Do we call herd? Do we call shoal? Do we call swarm? Do we call mob? Yes, the correct answer is herd. Students, let's see third question. Car, chauffeur, horse. What is the answer? So what does the mean by chauffeur? A person whose job is to drive a car for somebody else. Means like a driver. Okay. Then what is the correct answer of horse? Is it mechanic? Is it grass? Is it leash? Is it jockey? Yes, jockey is the correct answer. A person who rides horses in races, especially as a profession. Okay. Understood? The correct answer is jockey. Fourth question. Mumbai, Maharashtra, Tiruvananthapuram. What is the correct answer? Yes, now we have to find out what question is asked in this fourth example. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Yes. And Tiruvananthapuram, we have to find out of which state it is capital. Yes. And the answer is Kerala. Sikkim is wrong answer. Rajasthan is wrong answer. Tamil Nadu is wrong answer. Correct answer is Kerala. Now here fifth question. Museum, curator, prison. What is the answer? Wonder, monitor, manager, jailer. See once again. Museum, curator, prison. What is the correct answer? What is the mean by curator? A person whose job is to look after the things that are kept in a museum. Okay. See once again the meaning of curator. A person whose job is to look after the things that are kept in a museum. Okay. Now we have to find out the answer of prison. Okay. The correct answer is jailer. A building where criminals are kept as a punishment. And who look after them? Yes, correct. Jailer. Sixth question. Wax, grease, milk. What is the right answer? Yes, it is very easy. I know students, you are able to give this answer. Curd. Very good. Curd is made by milk. Like that, grease is made by wax. Correct. Saudi Arabia, Riyal. Japan. What is the correct answer? Yes. Dollar? No. Yen. What is the correct answer? Yen. So, Riyal is the standard unit of money of Japan. Saudi Arabia. And what is the standard unit of money of Japan? It is yen. Go for 8th. Lung, man. Gill. What is the correct answer? Hen, peacock, woman, fish. So lung, one of the two organs of your body that are inside your chest and are used for breathing. And what do the fishes are used for breathing? Yes, breathe through the gill, and gill is the correct answer. Now let's see for the next page. Analogy. Lesson B. Words 2. A pair of words. A pair of words is given. Tick the pair which shown a similar relationship that is shown by the given pairs. First one has been done for you. Agenda, meeting. Program, function. When teachers or when someone else is conducting the meeting, so for that we required agenda. But whenever program is there, what we call it? Function. Yes. Next, what is the solution C? First contain the details of the second, so the answer is A. Correct. Second example we'll see. Knife, chopper. So what is the correct one? Walking, fitness. Swim, float. Scissors, cloth. Quilt, blanket. Yes, quilt, blanket is the correct answer. Third one, ladies, purse. What is the correct pair in this? Fish, water. Pocket, gents. Lizard, insect. Gents, wallet. Yes, everybody knows this answer. What is the answer? Gents, wallet. As we know, all ladies are use purse. So like that, all gents use wallet. Correct. Let's go for the next. Take the right choice. So students, here some different things we are going to learn. Take the right choice means here we have to understand what is the similar between the letters. Now you can see here BE is one pair, DG is one pair and IL is one pair. In this, if we write A to Z on the paper, we come to know the between letters B and E, means B and E. In this, how many letters comes? So we will learn A, B, C, D, E, means there are two letters between B and E. Okay, D, G, D, E, F, G. So E and F, these two letters are there between D and G. So what is the similar in this all? The similar thing is there are two letters between each pair. So we have to find out fourth answer. S. What is the answer? There is a question mark. So we have to count which two letters comes between S, T, U, and the answer is V. Correct. Next we have to find out question number 2. Z, W, U, R, T, Q, M. What is the correct answer? For here we are coming from back side, back counting, back letters A to Z. When we see, so I am requesting to all the students, please write down A to Z in your notebook and see and to solve this question. Okay, when we come back to the Z to W, it comes between two letters U, R. It comes between two letters T, Q. Between it comes two letters. That is why M, and the correct answer is J. Got it? Like this you have to find out what is the similarity between all these three pairs and find out your answer. So students, I have shown here some 3 examples of this similarity. So you have to solve for next this page and solve it, try to solve it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Go for next. Analogy D. Pair of letters is given. Take the pair which shows the similar relationship that is shown by the given pairs. Here also we have to write A to Z in notebook and we have to find out the similarity between these two pairs. Okay, now we can see here A, B and C, D. So here the similarity is after A which letter comes? B, and after C which letter comes? C, D. Okay, so here it comes, it shows us A, B, C, D. It shows us serially. So here we have to find out letters which come L, M, M, N. No, it's the wrong answer. P, Q, R, S. Yes, this is the correct answer because it comes in serially. P, Q, R, S. H, I, K, L is the wrong answer and L, M, K, L is also wrong answer. So go for next question. A, C. Similarly, C, A. So here we understand A and C is one pair and C and A is one pair. So it has shown reverse. AC and CA. Like that we have to find out similar pair XY, YZ. Is it the correct pair? No. JK, LK. No. YU, TU. No. And the correct pair is MN and NM. Got it? Go for the next. Third question. TSVU. Can you recognize the answer? What is the similar between TS and VU? Yes. Again, if we see back counting, back letters Z to A, that it shows TS and VU. Here we'll see A, B, C, D. No, it's wrong answer. Z, A, Z. No, because A is the first letter and Z is the last letter. So we cannot recognize. Then the correct answer is L, K and N, M. Q, P and T, R is the wrong answer. So like this, students, you have to find out the similarity between the pair and answer. Okay, go for the next. Analogy numbers. We are going to learn now numbers analogy. Okay, take the right choice. Now how to understand? See here, first example, 476, 674. Can you recognize here? Do you understand here? The numbers are given in reverse order. 476, 674, 917, 719, 296, 692, and the last is our question 935. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, 539, because it is given in the reverse order. See the next question, 732, 832. So what we find here? We find the difference of 10. 732 plus 10, 832. Here also find the similar thing. 896 plus 10, 996. Yes, it is the similarity. 650 plus 10, 750. Yes, this is the similarity between these three pairs. So what will be the answer of 429 plus 10? Yes, 529. Correct. Very good. Next, third one, 753, 703. We have to find out what is the similarity between these three pairs. 753 minus 50, we got the answer 703. Then 405 minus 50, 355. Yes, 763 minus 50, 713. So what will be the answer of 979? Yes, minus 50, the answer will be 929. Go for the next lesson, third lesson, classification. Okay, students, we have very short time. That is why we are going to finish 2 lessons in this week. You are given a group of certain items out of which all except one are similar to one another. In some manner, you are required to choose this one item which does not fit into the given group. Means odd man out. You have to find out odd man out. Okay. See the answer. First one, cross the odd one out. First is kiwi, second is eagle, third is ostrich, fourth is penguin, and the fifth is emu. So what will be the correct answer? Eagle. Why? Because kiwi, ostrich, penguin, emu, these birds cannot fly so far. That is why eagle is odd one out. Eagle can fly so far. Okay. Second one, arrow, axe, dagger, sword and knife. What will be the answer? Yes, it is already given here, but I'll explain you. Knife used for cutting. Okay. Sword used for sharp metal weapon like a large knife. Dagger is used as a weapon and axe used for cutting wood. And what will be the arrow? A thin piece of wood or metal with one pointed end and feathers at the other end. It doesn't use for cutting. So that is why arrow is the odd one out. Now we have to find out the answer of third. Sun, moon, earth, asteroid. And the correct answer, and fifth one is mountain. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, mountain is the correct answer, because sun, moon, earth and asteroid we get in the space, and mountain we don't see in the space. That is why mountain is the correct answer. See, fourth one, sea, river, swimming pool, pond and lake. So in this sea, river, pond, lake, these are natural made things. Yes, right. And swimming pool is man-made thing. That is why swimming pool is odd one out. Now we'll see classification letters. Okay. Encircle the odd one. In this we come to know A, C, B, D, C, E, D, F and E, H. There are some similarities between these letters. That is why there is one odd one out of letters. Okay, let's see. So for this we have to write A to Z in your book. So students, write A to Z in your book and see the difference or see the similarity. A and C. So for A and C, find out we have one skip letter. Yes, correct. When we skip B, we get A, C. When we skip C, then we get B, D. When we skip D, then we get C, E. And when we skip E, then we get D, F. But here, when we skip F, then we get G. But here is given H. So that is why E, H, this is the odd one out. Yes, I hope you all are understood. Next, C, A, Y, C, W, E, U, F, S and I, Q. So students, for this also we will see A is the first letter, correct? And Y is second last letter. So for this, A is first letter and Y is second last letter. So Z is skipped. So in the C, second pair, C, here we skip B letter. Okay. And after Y, when we skip one letter X, then we get W. Got it? In first pair, we see A is the first letter and Y is the second last letter. before writing Y we are skipped Z letter, that is why we get A and Y. Here also we have to skip B, then we get the CW, and when we skip X we get W. Like this, when we skip D we get E, and when we skip V we get U. Correct. In the next also we'll see, we have to skip E, then we get F. But here we can see A, skip C, skip E, skip G. Yes, there should be G, but G is not given, G is not shown here. That is why F and S is the wrong answer. But why I is the correct answer, I and Q? So we will see. We have to skip B, we have to skip D, we have to skip F, we have to skip, yes, I. Then we get I is correct letter, and from back letters we have to skip Z, we have to skip X, we have to skip V, we have to skip T, we have to skip R, then we get Q. Yes, that is why F and S is the wrong answer. See, in the third question, Y A X C W F V G U I. Here already answer is given C, but we find out why the C answer is wrong. So again for this we have to write another A to Z letters. So students, I request you to write once again A to Z letters and see the similarity. Again when we see from Z, we are skipping here Z, then we get Y. Okay, and from starting we'll get A. Got it? See once again X. For this we are looking for back letters X. Okay, when we skip B we get C. Then W, from back letters we don't skip any letter. W, when we skip D we get, what do we get? F. Yes, but here it is given F. Actually we want here E, that is why W and F is the wrong answer. Okay, V, yes, and from starting when we skip F we get G. Correct. Next, U, from back numbers, from back letters we get U, and when we skip here H then we get I. Okay, so U and I. So this is the correct pair. Got it? See, for the fourth answer, K A L B M C N D O F. For this what we will do? We will see the letters. Okay, so see Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K. Okay, and then we got A. Then after K what letter comes? L. Correct. After L what letter comes? M. M. After M what will be the letter? N. After N what will be the letter? O. Okay, first all letters are correct. Now we find out the second letter, K A. So A is our first pair, B is the correct one, C is the correct one, D is the correct one, but F is wrong. So what letter should be there? There should be E letter, because K, L, M, N, O is in serially. So A, B, C, D also in serially, but E should be there in the last pair. That is why OF is the wrong answer. I hope everyone understood this also classification. So like this, students, we cannot take most parts of this lesson. That is why some 3 or 4 I told you how to understand and how to solve it. Like this you have to solve your remaining lessons. Lesson number 1, analogy, full you have to solve in this week, and lesson number 2 you solve yourself. If you have any doubt you can ask me on WhatsApp personally. Okay, we will see here D part, classification numbers. Okay, so what do we find here? 981, 873, 765, 657, 540. If we see the difference between 981, 873, so please count after 873 up till 81, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, up till 81 only we have to count. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After skipping 7 numbers we get 981 number. So similarly that we have to see 765 up till 873. So let's count 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72 and 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After counting 7 we get the number 873. Similarly 657 plus 7 we get 765. But 540, if we plus 7, we'll plus in this number, we don't get here 657 number. That is why this answer is wrong, means odd one out. Got it? See the second one, 761, 913, 615, 772, 865. So what is the difference or what is the similarity between the numbers? If you see 772, so last number is even number. Yes, and all other numbers are odd number. Last numbers 1, 3, 5, 5. That is why 772 is the odd one out. See the next third one, 482, 492, 500, 512, 522. So what is the difference or what is the similarity? Here if we see 482 plus 10 we get 492. If we do plus 10 here we should get 502, but here it's given 500. That is why 500 is the odd one out. So 512 is also correct answer and 522 also correct answer. So odd one out is 500. Yes. So I hope everyone understood. So students, you have to learn this and you have to find out the answer. Okay. Bye bye and do your study. All the best.